Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
Family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. Today, I make some pumpkin punch. Me know, I already see it in our caption. Yes, and now we're going to peel the pumpkin and we're going to boil it first. We're going to boil it with some okra, cool it down, and then we're going to blend it into a punch, okay? So I'm not talk too much, we're going to start the prepping. Alright, so this is 2 pounds of pumpkin. I'm going to peel it, go cut it and then peel it. You want to make sure you scoop out this part, cut out this part. Cut out all of the pumpkin belly, okay? Alright, we don't need none of this part. You could also blend it with the skin, but I prefer to cut the skin off. To peel off this, I prefer to peel off the skin. So just like this. So you peel off all of the skin and it's okay. Now I peel off all of them. So now I'm going to cut them up. I'm going to cut them in cubes. I'm going to cut them in cubes. So this is how they're supposed to look when you finish cut them. Now I'm going to wash them off and then add them to the boiling water. I wash them before I boil them. The same water I used to boil them, that's the same water we're going to put to cool down and blend the pumpkin. So always, when you cut it up, always wash it before. Now the water boiling, we're going to add the pumpkin. They're going to take 15 to 20 minutes to cook because I'm fully cooking them. Whenever the pumpkin cook, I'm going to add the okra for like 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'm going to cool it down and then blend them together. So these are the okra I'm using. Fresh okra. I already washed them. Now I'm going to cut off the stem, then I cut them up. So this is the stem, we're not using this part. And then we're going to cut them like this. You don't have to cut them specifically. So this is how they're supposed to look. This is the stem, so this is trash, okay? You're not gonna use this part in it. As you could see, the pumpkin fully cooked. Now I'm going to add the okra. I'm going to add all of the okra in it. I'm going to make it boil for like 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, the okra they cook. I'm going to turn off the stove and allow it to cool down, then I blend it. Alright, it already cooled down. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend them up, you get me? Alright, now see I heard. So now I add it to the blender. Now we're going to blend. Alright, my people. Look at that. Blend right out. So now I'm going to continue to blend the rest of it. Alright, this is it. This is it, my people. Alright. So far, so I'm going to use a Supligen. 1 Supligen. The whole can of Supligen. I use 1 Irish mash. And you go use the whole can. 1 Guinness. A whole bucket of Guinness. I normally use Jagan, but I didn't get no Jagan today. I have Guinness in my fridge, I use the Guinness. We're gonna use some Benjamin vanilla. I'm gonna use roughly 1 cork of this Benjamin vanilla. I'll list all the ingredients in the caption, my people. I'm gonna use some nutmeg powder. Nutmeg powder. Now I'm gonna add some cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder, some get over there, so. Now I'm gonna add some sweet condensed milk. Just like that. Some brown sugar. Go mix it in and whisk it in. Alright, this is it, my people, and I need nothing else. So I'm gonna pour it out in a juice jug. Alright, my people, now I'm gonna drink some right now. I'm gonna get some ice in a glass and drink some right now. Alright, pour out some. So more you do, more you share this recipe to a man where you know not get no youth. A man when not get no youth is a girl, then he needs some of this and could get some youth. Peace out.